Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Marko Govorcin. What? Don't try to pronounce my last name. So, I'm your wellness coach, and today I will talk about FIT principle. It's very easy and very simple to follow because I don't want to give you excuse. I don't have the time to listen to this guy. So, it's gonna be very shortly. So, let's go straight away to the point. FIT principle, where F stands for frequency. I want you guys to do between 3 and 5 times per week exercises. I don't care it's gonna be 3 or 5, but sticking to this number, it will allow you actually to have rest days between your exercise days. Also, I don't want you to start straight away with high intensity and vigorous exercises, so find a slower pace, and that brings me to I letter or intensity. I suppose that most of you have a desire to lose the fat. Am I correct? In that case, I have one very simple formula for you. For me, it's for now very important you to know next thing. What is your maximum heart rate? We can calculate actually a maximum heart rate by using the formula that you can see on the board. So it's 208 minus 0.7 times your age. Now you will get certain number, and that number actually will tell you what is your maximum heart rate per minute. Now, why is that important? Because, for example, if you want to lose the fat, you will stick very simple between 60 and 80% of your heart rate max. If you want, for example, muscle hypertrophy, to gain muscle, you will have to go more than 80%. Just don't tell me I am walking, because regular walk most likely will be below 60%. How now we're gonna know whether you are below or above or in the middle where you should be? Very easy, very simple. It will be pulse palpation. So we're gonna use 3 fingers from your right hand, and we will do pulp of the pulse, actually radial artery that goes all the way here, and you can touch just on the root of your thumb, and straight away you're gonna feel your pulse. So that means if you are now doing some kind of exercises, for example burpees, and you are curious how much is that from your max heart rate, simply you will count the heartbeats per 15 seconds, no need to do that for 1 minute. Then you will multiply that number with 4, and then you will see where you are on this scale. So try to stick to the range between 60 and 80%. Last but not least, T stands for time. I want you guys to do exercises in any way between 20 and 60 minutes. Why is this important not to train or to do exercises less than 20 minutes? Very easy, very simple. At beginning of each exercise, your body will start to use the glucose that is actually stored in glycogen. And we have the preserved actually sugars, the amount of the sugars in your muscles and your liver. This source of energy, let me say like that, it's very limited, and it contains around 2000 calories. However, there is much bigger source of the energy, and that is your or our fat, human fat. So on average, one person has 100,000 of calories actually in the form of the fat. What that means that you can run 100 hours of marathon. When we can be switched to that source of the energy? Well, after approximately 20 minutes of exercise. So this is the time that it has to happen in order to be shift from one source of energy to another source. There you are, guys. I hope that you like this video. Just remember this FIT principle, very easy, very simple. And of course, if you have any questions, just let me know. I will be here for you to support you. So let's go!